So wondering what to do first when you unbox your phone? Watch this video because I'm gonna explain, or I'm gonna show you what to do when you have your new phone. So without saying much, let's get started. If you are new here, welcome to Lukas Hassantii Tech Support and Consultancy. This is your channel, so consider subscribing and let's get started. So let's start by changing the language to your specified language, one you like. So I'm using English USA. So after that, we click OK and click Start. Of course, agree to their review, agree to everything. So after that, here we have so many options. You can, if you have your old phone, you can link it through here, or you can pass all the information. But for this video, I'm going it manually because the client does not have another old phone. So it's actually simple. I will make video on that, how to transfer your Google account and all your stuff to your new phone. So for this one, let's just stick with the manually. So let's set it up manually like that. And here you can see here there are two things out. Also, you can connect to internet. You have to create some accounts and some stuff, so you don't have to bother after completing everything. But for this video, I'm gonna stick with the offline setup. So I will make the video super short, and later you can watch the video how to create Google account on your phone. So I'll just have to click the skip. Now you have to click the skip again for your protection, since it is not my phone. Here again, scroll up and accept the license terms and agreement. Of course, you can see Samsung services. If you want to back up that, if you have your email you want to back up, you can do that. But for this video, you can also choose between the dark and the light mode. If it was mine, I would have choose the dark mode, but this is someone else, so I'm using the default white. So click next and wait for a few seconds. And now you will see a recommended app from Samsung, but I don't have time for that, so I'm not gonna download them. Just click next and you will see something like you are all set up. Click home to see your home screen. This might take a few seconds. As you can see, you have successfully set up your new phone, but it doesn't stop that because we didn't have any account and any security. So to do that, check out this video how to create email on your phone. So I'll be putting it here, and now you can go over, or you can go ahead, make sure you have your security details and all of this stuff. So, and that's it. If you found the video helpful, kindly subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell. So I'll be dropping some few tips on how to do tech tutorials which will help you. So as always, if you found the video helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'm out.